Good morning students. How are you? I hope you all are safe. Welcome to the computer class of 3rd standard. In the previous chapter, that is lesson number 7, Introduction to TuxPaint, I have discussed about the basic operations of TuxPaint like parts of TuxPaint screen, starting, saving, opening and closing of TuxPaint window. I hope you all have understood that topics. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is lesson number 8, more on TuxPaint, pages 73 and 74. So open your books at page number 73. In this chapter, we will learn some more interesting features of TuxPaint and the use of different tools to make beautiful drawings, and using these tools we will make home scene. The objective is to learn the use of various tools of TuxPaint like Paint tool, Stamp tool, Line tool, Eraser tool, Text tool and Shapes tool. Before starting our topic, I would like to tell you the important terms of this topic. First term is Paint tool, used to draw freehand drawing. Number 2, Line tool, draw lines of various shapes. Number 3, Text tool, used to write text or numbers. Number 4, Eraser tool, used to rub a part of image. Number 5, Shapes tool, used to draw filled and unfilled shapes. Number 6, Stamp tool, used to place colorful pictures in the drawing. Now come to page number 73. Here our first topic is different tools of the TuxPaint, and the first tool I am going to discuss is Paint tool. Paint tool is used to draw freehand drawing just like a pencil. Like in previous classes, you have studied Microsoft Paint, in which you use pencil tool to make your drawing or pictures. In similar way, in TuxPaint, Paint tool acts like a pencil tool. From using Paint tool, you can draw any type of freehand drawing. Look at the identification of Paint tool. Look here, a paintbrush icon is there that you called as Paint tool. Mark this ID on your book also. Now, the steps to use Paint tool are: number 1, click on the Paint tool option. Number 2, select the size of the brush. Number 3, select any color. Number 4, hold and drag the mouse. Now we will see the use of Paint tool practically. First of all, like you have already done, open the TuxPaint, click on Start button, All Programs, TuxPaint, TuxPaint Full Screen. Now Paint tool is present under the tool box. Click on the Paint tool icon. Then select the size of the brush from the option box. Choose any color from the color box and draw any freehand drawing. Like I am going to make star here using Paint tool option. Now come to page number 74. Do you know? Here we will learn some more tools like Line tool, Shapes tool, Text tool and Eraser tool to make our drawing more beautiful. First is Line tool. Line tool draws straight lines of various shape. If you want to draw any line, and if you want to draw a line of straight shape, then you will press and hold down Shift key and then you will use Paint tool to draw the line. Let us do practically. First of all, click on Line tool from the tools box. Then choose the style from the option box. Any size you can choose. Choose color. Hold down the Shift key from the keyboard and start making line. In this way, you can draw lines in your TuxPaint. Next, Shapes tool. Shapes tools draw some filled or unfilled shapes like oval, rectangle, triangle, etc. The difference between filled or unfilled shapes is in the filled shape, the color is already filled inside the shape. You don't have to color it yourself. But in the unfilled shapes, the only outer boundary is there of the shape and inner side is empty. Now let us see it practically. Click on the Shapes tool from the Tools box. Now choose the shape from the option box, like I am choosing circle. Unfilled circle I have chosen. Hold and drag the mouse over the drawing area and see, this is our unfilled shape. Now we will make filled shape. Hold and drag the mouse and see, this is the filled one. Now come to page number 74. Our next tool is text tool. Text tool is used to write text or numbers in the drawing. Like if you want to name your drawing, you can use this tool to give any name to your drawing. The text tool is present under the toolbox. Click on it. Choose any handwriting style from the option box. Click on the drawing canvas area and start typing from the keyboard. Like I have typed here class 3. Click anywhere in the drawing area where you want to place your text. I have placed here, I want to place my text here in the center. I have clicked over it and the text is placed over there. Now our next tool is eraser tools. Eraser tool is used to erase or rub a part of the image. If you have done any mistake in your drawing, so you can correct it using the eraser tool. Now let us do it practically. Click on the eraser tool from the tools box. Choose the size of the eraser from the option box and hold and drag the mouse over the drawing area. And you can see the star is being rubbed. In this way, you can use the eraser tool. Now come to next tool. Our next tool is stamp tool. Stamp tool works like a sticker or rubber stamp. It is used to place nice colorful pictures in the drawing. These pictures are the ready-made pictures in the Tux Paint. You can simply choose any stamp and place that picture in your drawing. The identification of the stamp tool is this. You can mark this ID on your book also. The steps to use stamp tool are: number 1, click on the stamp tool. Number 2, select any stamp. Number 3, choose stamp size from the slider. Number 4, click on the drawing canvas. Now come to do it practically. Click on the stamp tool from the tools box. Move to stamp options. Here you can see number of stamps are available in the Tux Paint. 3 buttons are there. First one is pink colored button with black headed arrow. Using this button, you can scroll down the stamps. See, you can see more stamps from here. Then after that, one button is backward button and next is forward button. If you want to move forward, you can use the forward button, and if you want to come back, you can use the backward button. Below backward and forward button, slider is there from where you can change the size of the stamps. Like if you want to increase or decrease the size of the stamp, you can choose from here. Now we will put some stamps in the drawing area. Now I am going to choose any stamp. Like I have chosen the cake. I will increase or decrease the size of the stamp from the slider, and then place your stamp by simply clicking in the drawing canvas area. In this way, you can apply any stamp by simply doing single click on your drawing area. So till here we have done paint tool, line tool, shapes tool, text tool, eraser tool and stamp tool. Now we will make a home scene using these tools. Now take a new page from new option. Choose any starter. And now we will make a home scene. Firstly, I am going to click on lines option. Choosing the line size as you have done already. Holding the shift key, I am going to make a straight line. Then using paint tool under the tools box, I am going to make freehand mountains. Now as you have already done, to fill the colors, you have to go to magic tool. Then you have to go to fill option, choose the color and fill colors in the drawing. You can also fill color in the sky. Now using stem tool, we will apply home. Click on stem tool. Then choose any home. Change the size of the home and apply it on the drawing canvas area. Now we will apply bird stems. I am choosing any bird from here. Change its size and apply according to your own choice. Now I am also applying dog stamp here in the front of the home. Now choose any dog and apply it. Now we will apply some trees also of different sizes. And on trees we will apply some fruit stamp also. Choose any fruit, change its size, make it smaller, decrease the size and apply different fruits. In this way, you can apply fruits on the trees. Now we will apply car stamp. We will find out where the cars are there. See here. Choose the car. Choose any color, size and then apply it. In the front of the house I have applied. Now using text tool we will write it home scene. And click wherever you want to place your text. After doing, save your drawing using save tool. So students, today I have discussed the use of different tools of TuxPaint, that is paint tool, line tool, shapes tool, text tool, eraser tool and stamp tool. I hope you all have understood the topic and you are all able to perform it practically also. I will discuss the further topics in our next session. Till that, you have to do reading of pages 73 and 74. Learn and write the important terms on the copy. Do practice of making nature scene using different tools that has been sent in your Snap homework. Thank you.